Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if you're facing any problem related to your incoming calls in your device Vivo Y22s. So if your incoming calls are not showing on screen, you can fix this problem by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your incoming call problems in your device.